This is a short video about buying a Apple Lightning cable or the one that came with your iPhone. These Lightning cables are horrible. They don't last long and they, what do you call it, get damaged very easily. You can see if you were to go to Apple, it costs $20 or $19 for one of these cables. I wouldn't suggest buying it from Apple because it's such a, I don't think it's very a high quality product. As I mentioned, it can get damaged easily and it breaks easily. Other manufacturers make, in my opinion, better quality USB cable, like braided, or just look at these ends. They're not really done well. These always fray and come apart easily. So this is my Apple charging cable, lightning cable, and you can see if I move it just a little bit, it disconnects. And so my recommendation to other people, unfortunately, is I do not recommend Apple's cable. Sadly, I hope, for the amount of money you're paying, you would guess that they'd build a decent wire instead of this cheap. Maybe I shouldn't say cheap, but just this wire that can get defective or break, in my opinion, easily. I won't suggest any other brands, although I will say that even Best Buy Dynex brand USB cables work better for me than these stock cables. So I just had to get this off my chest, and hopefully other people feel the same way. But you can see just doing this, and it's connecting and disconnecting. So good luck. Yeah, save some money and don't get this, please.